What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we have a major dump in the market. Stock market crashed. Crypto is following suit. Gala Games is down 24% on the day. We're sitting at 0.0142. Market cap is sitting at 478 million. 24-hour volume 200 million. So if we hop into the chart, we lost that previous low, and in the previous video I talked about us if we break that low, it's likely we're going to come down to this level of support at 0.01176. Now if we lose that, we don't have much chart to work with to see where we're going to drop to. You can check it out here on CoinMarketCap, but we do have this falling wedge. So if we do break underneath a penny, then it's likely, if we hold this wedge support and we trickle down, that we come down towards 0.008, 0.007 before seeing a bounce to the upside. If we break down from this wedge, then of course we can just see continuation down. But as of right now, we'll use this wedge support as a reference and see if we can get a bounce back to the upside. Looking at BTC, I do think there's a decent chance we could bounce in between 47 to 49K. And if that happens, of course, Gala will follow suit. So we just have to be patient, see if we can hold these lows here, see if we get a reaction, and then if we do break them, just watch this downsloping trend line to see if it holds and we get a push back to the upside. All right, gang. My trading group is completely free. I give daily crypto analysis as well as Forex signals. We've been absolutely crushing it in Forex last week. This week, we're already doing well. All you have to do is click the top link in the comments and you can enter into the group, and you'll have access to the VIP rooms, as well as almost 3,000 members in the Discord that you can chat with, talk all things crypto. All links down below. Smash up the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.